Hi everyone. This is a little video to show you how to create a Bitmoji scene. You're probably wondering, what would I do with this? How would I use it? You may want to replace your Google Classroom header image with something creative that you've come up with on your own. You may want to put it on your website. You may want to use it with students in an assignment where they click on different parts of your image and go to links that provide some kind of information on a topic. However you want to use it, it's a fun activity. So to begin with, you want to open Google Slides, and the default is to click to add a title. We'll go up to Slide and go to Apply Layout and just select the blank format. So now you have a blank slide. And what you want to do next is go to Background, choose Image, and I typed in the words wall and floor because that will give me images basically of a room with walls and floors. So you can go through and select one of these backgrounds. You might want to pick something that's pretty empty looking so you can add your own detail to. Say, for instance, if I select this one, I'm going to say Insert and Done. Looks like a jail scene. But anyway, here is my walls and my floor. Now I want to add some different elements. At this point, I'm going to go to Insert Image, or I can just go to the little Insert Image icon. And I'm going to search the web. And on the right, it'll come up with different Google images. The best thing to do is to type in the word transparent and then whatever image you want after that. So say I want a sofa, a transparent sofa. I'm going to click on that and I get all these images. I'm going to take one of these images. I can click on it and say insert, or I can drag and drop it. It comes in very large. What you want to do is you want to go to the corners of the image and drag it in so it resizes proportionally. I'm going to move that over here. I'm going to add another image. Again, search the web. Maybe I'll say transparent window. Just get a little light in here. And I'm going to select this one. Again, you're going to need to resize it. And I'm going to put it on the wall. Now, notice I have bricks on my wall. So that looks pretty silly to look through my window and see bricks. How I'm going to fix that, I'm going to go up to the text box and I'm going to draw a square within my window. And then I'm going to go to the fill color. And I can fill it with a color. I can fill it with white. Or again, I can go to Insert Image, search the web, and now say transparent outdoor scene. And maybe I'll pick this pretty image here. And again, I'm going to resize it and drag it right on top of that window. And I want to kind of fit it into my window as if I were looking out. And now it still doesn't look quite right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here while the image is selected and go to Arrange and click on Order, and I'm going to say Send to Back. So now my image was sent to the back of the window, and it looks like my window's open and I'm looking outside. I can keep adding different images here. Maybe I want, again, a transparent table, and I'll pick this little number. And again, resize my table so that it looks somewhat proportionate. I can kind of move it a little. I can do all sorts of things with it. If I right click on the image, oh, here they are, format options. I can change the size, position, recolor, adjustments, drop shadow, reflection. I can do all those things within the slide. I might want to put a rug. You can just keep adding items. The other thing you can do is if you create a text box on the wall and then go up to the fill color and color it in white, I can write something here. Welcome to my remote learning page. And then if I highlight the text, I can change the font size. I can, let's see, center it, bold, change the color, and so on. I can even add a border to this. If I go up, again, select the square, go up to border color, click on black, and then if I go to the border weight, I can make a nice large border here and do something like that. The last step is to put in my Bitmoji. And the way you do that is you have to go to the Bitmoji app in the Chrome, Chrome App Store and download the app to your Chrome browser. And once you do that, you have all different sorts of Bitmojis. You can have them in all different positions with words. If you search on standing, it shows you all the Bitmojis that are available standing. And these little stickers down here give you a lot of different options. Let's see, so find one that looks like I can use it. So I'm going to right click on it, copy image, right click in my room and say paste. Now I could have picked an image where the person's sitting on the sofa as I did in my example, but I think I'm going to just do this crazy one here. Maybe I'll move my sofa over to the other side of the room. And let's see, I'm gonna see if I can flip this. rotate. I'm going to flip this horizontally so it turns my sofa the other way. I think I'll move my table over and then put my little Bitmoji in. And that's all there is to it. This is done in Google Slides. In the end, if you want to save it as an image to add to your Google Classroom, you're just going to say File, Download, download as a JPEG or a PNG, and you're good to go.